Igano na?
igano na.
Igano.
Naga.
এটা পড়ে গেল পড়ে এটা
Kung sa
Hindi sabi man na kaya gumani. Asa pa tanta sa mitte. Abek sorka.
It is a pre-dawn moment. Everywhere there is an eerie silence. You suddenly wake up hearing to a shamanic chant from the neighboring house. Curiosity draws you there. A middle-aged shaman is busy carrying out some archaic rituals and chanting to ward off evil spirits from an infant's body. For a moment, it seems you are traveling back to thousands of years as a time flyer from the 21st century monochrome life. Desughati is a remote village in Kandhamal's Belghar region. Surrounded by sky-touching mountains of the Eastern Ghats, dense tropical forest, cascading mountain streams, and splashing waterfalls. An immersive experience-seeking traveler will fall in love with Desughati at first sight. The inhabitants of the village are Kutiakons, one of the three branches of Kond tribes. Kutiakons are hilly people. They are handy, warlike race of men, well accustomed to jungle life. Until recently, only with significant contact with the plains, the Kutiakons had preserved their independence as distinct nobility. Bold and fitfully laborious mountain peasantry in a dignified manner, proud of their positions as landowners and tenacious of their rights. However, with the penetration of the market economy, overexploitation of forest resources, and erratic behavior of weather due to climate change, Kutia cones have lost their pride. With no other source of earning, migration to far-off cities and towns have become a regular affair. Sarana Educational and Cultural Services LLP, which works towards empowering indigenous communities for a sustainable future, has adopted Desughati and its neighboring village Sikoka for immersive travel experiences to its travelers fraternity. Sustainable travel is all about curating local experiences with minimalistic living and limited carbon footprints. It helps in generating revenue for rural folk by offering immersive experiences. At Desughati, Sarana's travelers' guests are taken to hilltops to experience agricultural practices of Kutia cones. Here they listen to the stories of struggle and happiness from the native people.
ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ମାସରେ ପୁରା ଏଇଟା ସେ ଆମେ କିଛି ଖାଇ ନଥିଲୁ ସେ ଫସଲ ବି ଭଲ ପାଚି ନଥିଲା ସେ ସମୟରେ ସେ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ମାସରେ ପଶିକି
They are also taken on trekking to nearby mountain streams set against spectacular mountains and forest. Relishing of sarab toddy drink and a platter of local roots, tubers and yams is part of food experience for travelers. Sarana provides space for enriching experiences to its travelers. For women travelers, there are sessions of doling up with the traditional attire and jewelry. And as the sun goes down, the chilled evenings and the jungles suddenly wake up to the tune of Dhangra Dhangri dance. Some of our travelers also take part in the dance performance. Sarana's association with Desughati is just the beginning of a new journey of sustainable tourism in Odisha.